In a hidden valley, surrounded by blue mountains and silver rivers, stood the peaceful town of Everdale. For centuries, one structure watched over the town, the magnificent clock tower. No one knew who built it, yet its bells guided the lives of everyone who lived there. Among the townspeople lived Emma, a curious 16-year-old who loved mysteries more than anything else. While others spent their afternoons by the river, Emma explored forgotten stories hidden within the town's ancient library. One rainy afternoon, Emma discovered a dusty old book hidden behind a bookshelf. Most of its pages were damaged, but one chilling sentence remained clear. When the clock stops, the valley will lose its memory. Troubled by the message, Emma hurried to her grandfather, the town's former historian. As he read the words, his face turned pale. He revealed an ancient legend that the clock tower protected the memories of Everdale itself. The very next morning, the impossible happened. The clock stopped. Its hands froze at exactly 7:17. The bells fell silent, and a strange unease spread across Everdale. Soon, people began forgetting important things. A baker forgot recipes he had used for years. Teachers forgot the names of their students. Families struggled to remember treasured moments. The town was slowly losing its memory. Searching desperately for answers, Emma found a hidden map tucked inside the book. It marked 3 mysterious places across the valley: the Whispering Forest, the Crystal Caverns, and the Peak of Winds. Beneath the map was a message: the Keeper's keys must be united before the final bell. Emma's journey began in the Whispering Forest. Strange voices surrounded her, warning her to turn back. But Emma refused to surrender to fear. Deep within the forest, she discovered the first Keeper's key, glowing with a soft blue light. Next, Emma entered the Crystal Caverns. There, magical mirrors showed countless futures, some filled with failure, others with regret. But Emma understood an important truth. The future is shaped not by predictions, but by choices. As the mirrors shattered, the second golden key appeared. The final key awaited atop the Peak of Winds. Battling fierce storms and freezing winds, Emma climbed higher and higher. Though exhausted and afraid, she continued forward for the people she loved. At the summit, she claimed the third and final key. Returning home, Emma discovered a secret door beneath the clock tower. Using the 3 keys, she unlocked an ancient chamber hidden deep underground. There, giant gears surrounded a mysterious glowing sphere, the true heart of the tower. The sphere was broken. An inscription revealed the secret: memory survives through those who choose to remember. Emma began sharing her most precious memories. Soon, others joined her. Stories of childhood, family traditions, festivals, songs, laughter, love. As memories filled the chamber, the sphere healed. Golden light spread through the ancient machinery. The gears began to turn, and above them, the great clock tower awakened once more. The memories returned. Families recognized one another again. Teachers remembered their students. The town was saved. Everdale celebrated for days, and Emma became known as the Keeper of Stories. And so, The people of Everdale learned a lesson they would never forget. Buildings may preserve history, books may record it, but memories survive only when they are shared. As the bells of the clock tower echoed across the valley once more, they carried a timeless reminder. The stories we pass on become the future we leave behind.